Hi, I'm Dr. Adri from Medispa. I've neglected our male patients a little bit, and today I'm going to talk about filler and male patients again. This whole series is about the elephant in the room, budget. How do we need to plan for our treatment? How do we budget? Okay, and when it comes to budget, we know that 1 ml of filler is between 3,000 and 4,000 rands, and it will last you 2 years. But remember, when we are using filler, it's not about filling, it is about treating aging trigger points, so slowing down the aging process. It's also about biostimulation, meaning glowing the skin, stimulating the skin. And thirdly, it is about myomodulation. Sometimes we need to lift, sometimes we need to open up. So about these 3 things. And then in this male patient that I want to discuss today, when we look at the before photo again, I've talked in a previous video about the corporate world, being in the corporate world, and how important the emotional message is. And if you're given an emotional message of tiredness, how we can actually treat that with filler and improve the tired look on the face. Or even if we've got a little bit of a sad look with downturned corners, downturned eyes, how we can lift it with our filler to give a more lifted appearance. So if we look at this before and after photo, which I think was very good, it's using the MD codes, a standardized method of injecting filler with which we can assure satisfaction irrespective of age, gender, and ethnicity. So we can inject and have a good effect in any of those patients. If we look at the before and after, we can see that the before shows a slightly more tired face with the tear troughs, maybe a little bit of sagging, also a little bit of anger, pinched look. This patient, to move from before to after, had a total of 8 mils of filler, of which he had 3 mils in the cheeks to open up, foundation to lift. And we can see cheek filler is not about giving cheeks, about apple cheeks or filler riding on the cheek when we smile. It's about attractiveness, about reflecting light, about harmony and balance in the face. So 3 mils to open up. And then he also had in the jawline 2 mils to give us that beautiful squareness, help with that downturned corners of the mouth. In the chin, 2 mils to further lift the corners of the mouth and to give that beautiful height in the chin. So to move from before to after, a total of 8 mils. And I think we can agree that in the after photo, he actually does look, to me, less tired, a little bit more lifted, and also a bit less angry. So beautiful before and after using MD codes with Juvederm filler.